Want an instant energy boost for your panel discussion? Quickly get your audience involved. I'm Kristin Arnold, and I'm a professional panel moderator, and it is more than just a raise your hand, take a poll. What is the best way to do it? Stick around or click the link below. So, how do you interject energy into the panel other than raise your hand? You could use a verbal prompt. If you agree, say yes. If you disagree, say no. Duh. You could get them moving along with that, like, maybe you should stomp your feet, or clap your hands, or stand up. Now, whatever you're asking people to do, make sure they have the physical ability to be able to do that. You could also ask for a one-word reaction, like describe this in one word, and either have people shout it out, or maybe you go into the audience and you gather a couple of one words from the audience. You could even have a go-to phrase, something that is fun and it resets the energy. For example, I was on a panel and we had adapt versus adopt. So you just keep repeating that, and before you know it, the audience is saying adapt versus adopt. Yay! These are ways to infuse instant energy into your audience. If you like what you heard, just put it in the comments below. Maybe even subscribe to this channel, and we have lots of different ideas that you can find in 123 ways to add pizzazz to a panel. Just go to panelpizzazz.com and you'll see our book. Thanks for watching.